Hi guys, welcome to Serial Stories. Hope all of you are doing great and are in good health. If you follow us on Instagram, you know that we are traveling, and currently I am shooting this video from Shillong. To talk about travel, my dad always says that traveling makes you experience new things and kind of opens your mind towards new traditions, new kind of people, new culture, and I think I completely agree with that because in past 1 week we have covered around 4 states and we have seen extreme climates, different kind of people, different kind of cultures, different kind of rules that they follow in their state, and I think it has been a great experience for all of us. Traveling for us is not just about the destination, it is also about the journey, and what makes the journey beautiful are the people that you travel with. I think that is very important because to have a great experience, you have to have great people around you. Not talking about people who enjoy solo travel because that's also good, and I am yet to experience that. But for now, I think from all the travel experiences I have, I think I am traveling with the best people I have in my life, and that are actually three people: Achu, Prithvi, and Chanduanna. Achu and Prithvi are my college friends, and why I'm talking about my friends in this video, first let me tell that is because this year 2020 has been a kind of year which made you realize about the importance of people in your life, and family is always important, they'll always be important, but friends are the family that we choose, and therefore Achu and Prithvi have been my family, I think, from college. Not just Achu and Prithvi, we had more people. We still have it. I mean, Mahesh, Rakesh, Gautam are also there, but Mahesh and Rakesh are in US and Gautam is in Chennai. But Achu and Prithvi and me, we stayed in Hyderabad together. And Chandu Anna, I met him during my Infi training, and since then he has always been there. And I think, though even with Prithvi and Achu and Chandu Anna or my other college friends, it's not a relationship that we talk every day, and we have to talk every day or we have to do some kind of maintenance work, but still we know that they're just a call away, and be it happy thing, be it something that we are sad about, be it whatever we want to share, I think they are always gonna be there, and they're the best people that I can count on. So not just these people, I have a great bunch of my school friends, great bunch of people that Infi introduced me to. I'll always be grateful for them in my life, and through this video I want to tell them that you know that you are important for me, even though I am not very good at being connected to people. I cannot text regularly, or but I'm always available, and I think that friends matter a lot for me personally, because from my childhood I think I have given a lot of importance to my friends, and people have stayed, and people have stayed for a long time in my life, and that's how I know that, and that's how they know that they are important. So I think for friendship it is not important that you have to talk every day, but it is important that you know that you have people that you can count on, and people that are just a call away for you. So 2020 has been a year that has made us realize the importance of people in our life, and I think I decided to add this in the video when Prithvi made a small gesture by giving us some gifts, and I think that was great gesture on behalf of him, because it was out of nowhere. It was a very great surprise for me personally, and I don't like giving gifts or receiving gifts, and especially if it is something materialistic. But what he gave was not materialistic, and I'm not gonna put it here. But out of nowhere, if someone does any gesture for you like this and surprises you, I think I personally like it a lot, because then we know that it matters. It is not out of some formality that is being done. It is out of pure heart and pure love. So I think that was best thing, one of the best things about 2020 for me. Also, traveling with such great people has been a lesson, because we have gone through such extreme climates together. We have gone through so many memories together. We are creating so many memories together that are gonna stay for lifetime. Now that 2020 is ending and we are stepping into 2021 very soon, I think travel is the best way that I could have ended this year, because the whole year I was like, I have mentioned in the previous some video, I think, that I have been a couch potato. But now I am waking up at 6:30, 7:30 in the morning, getting ready, going out for travel, and then coming back, and then just we just have to sleep and get some sleep, and then again wake up and explore new places, new climate, new people. And I think it's been amazing, and this has to be the best way for me personally to end this year and begin the new year with a new hope, and with so many realizations as well that I'm gonna carry with myself for the coming year, and also for other years in my lifetime. Talking about the coming year, the new year, or new year resolutions, I think I don't believe in them much, because if you want to do something, decide it and just do it, plan it, do it. But don't wait for the year to change, or the week to change, the day to change. If you really want to do something, work on it now. But again, at the same time, some people believe in it, and it is kind of a trend. So maybe it works out for some people, but I personally don't believe in it. So I don't think I have any new year resolution. But yeah, I had taken a decision a couple of years ago that I'm gonna explore new places and travel once in a year at least. And now that from last year, I think we had this plans of travel, and this year also we have, in the coming year 2021 also we have some travel plans. And now that we have this channel, I think I'll be able to keep up with that decision. So let's see how it goes. And I'm not sure when we are releasing this video, but anyways, I'm wishing you a very happy new year. Hope all of you have a blessed new year. All of you be in good health and with your people, and enjoy, and hope that 2021 is gonna be better. I think that's the least that we can hope for. So that's about it. I think I'm gonna end this video now and go for sleep, because tomorrow I'm having early morning and we are visiting very interesting place. For that, you have to stay tuned to our channel. Follow us on Instagram at SurrealStories99, and if you like our videos, then do subscribe to our channel. Also share it with your friends and family members. Till then, take care. Bye bye.